Well, this week we have seen some of the hottest days of the year with temperatures breaking the 100-degree mark. But Kristen Oakes is here just in time with this week's Ag Minute to tell us about that one summer treat that summer memories are made of.
You know, the best remedy for suffering through a summer in the South is this, an ice-cold snow cone. And whether you call it a snow cone, a snowball, or even shaved ice, this treat has been easing the pains of summer for more than a century.
As the summer temperatures rise, so do our cravings for icy treats to beat the heat. Although they may seem like a simple combination of syrup and ice, there's a colorful history behind the many varieties of shaved ice Americans consume each summer. Samuel Burke produced the first snow cone in 1919 at the State Fair of Texas. In 1934, Ernest Hansen patented the first block-style ice shaving machine in New Orleans. An immense hit, Hansen's snow cones set themselves apart because of the difference in consistency. While most snow cones are rough and crunchy, Hansen's machine produced ice flakes much like actual snow. The difference in consistency and surface area of the ice particles allows the ice to soak up more of the flavored syrup. Today, snow cone stands offer a wide variety of flavors and combinations to suit just about any palate. But if you ask me, cherry is still number one.
If you want to indulge in one of the summer's coolest treats, but you're counting your calories, fear not. Most of these snow cone stands offer sugar-free options for their sinfully delicious flavors. Now it's time for Twyla Trivia. Last week I asked you which month typically offers the largest variety of seasonal produce. Boasting a wide array of seasonal fruits and vegetables, the answer is C, September. For this week's trivia, what was the first recorded snow cone flavor? Was it A, cherry, B, egg custard, or C, wedding cake? To enter this week's trivia contest, all you need to do is visit our website, twilatv.org, choose the correct answer, and we'll send one winner a Twyla prize pack. Still to come on This Week in Louisiana Agriculture.
I'm Neil Malasaw. The #1 export destination for Louisiana corn, the United States. That story coming up on The Bottom Line.